thank you for tuning in to AGrader's Here's What to Expect. Today we have with us an experienced math curriculum writer, Ms. Jennifer, who will share with us what a primary 2 student will be learning for math in April. So Jennifer, what are they learning this month?
For P2, they will be learning multiplication and division.
I understand that they actually learn multiplication and division in primary 1, so is this an extension?
Yes, it is. The basic concepts of multiplication and division is actually taught in P1, but in P2, other than the concept itself, students have to memorize the multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. And also for division, in P1 they are not taught the division symbol, but in P2 they will be taught the division symbol. On top of that, they are also taught the relationship between a times and a divide. So for example, if they know that 2 times 6 is 12, they will also need to know that 12 divided by 2 will give them 6.
Okay, so what can parents actually do to prepare their child for this?
Okay, this one is quite straightforward because it is the multiplication tables. So students will definitely have to be very familiar and they will have to memorize these multiplication tables. So parents can do their part by testing them as and when, so that it will help them retain the memory as well.
So would there be word problems in multiplication and division topic?
Yeah, definitely there will be. So at P2, some teachers will actually start to introduce the models for multiplication and division because it will lay the foundation for the latest year where the models will get more complicated. So P2 is actually the start of it. So it's actually very important. Even though it may look simple, but it is good to encourage them to draw.
So do you have any suggestions on how parents can guide their child at home?
Okay, for the first one, probably students are actually they actually find it quite tedious to draw the model. So parents can encourage them one thing. The other one, they could probably get them the model ruler. So that is actually faster for them at the same time to draw the model. Then of course what we look at today will be 4 kinds of model for P2 multiplication and division. So namely, we can call them the multiplicative model, sharing model, equal group model, and the multiplicative comparison model. We have actually included a worksheet which shows each of the following model, but over here I'll just go through quickly each one of them. So the first one, multiplicative model. So since there is 9 boxes of ribbons, we will get them to draw 9 boxes first, and then there are 5 in each box. So each box meaning every 1 box. So we will get them to write down 5 inside the box. Then we will draw question mark for all together, which is the total. So from here they will know that 9 groups of 5 is actually 9 times 5, which is 45. The second one is the sharing model. So from here we know that there are 9 bags. So we will draw 9 units or 9 boxes. Altogether, there are 27 curry puffs, so that will make up the total. So from here, to find each bag, they will know that they will have to divide. So 27 divided by 9 will give them 3. Then as for the next one on the equal groups, so normally each box will represent how many units to draw, but in this case, since this is the question that we are looking for, we do not know the number of boxes. So as you can see in the model, we will illustrate it by drawing dotted lines. But since there are 2 balls in each box, so for each unit that we see over here, we will put down the number 2, and we know the total, which is 10. So from here, the students will also be able to tell that 10 divided by 2 will give them 5 boxes. Then the last one on comparison model. So from here, since Jack has 4 times, we will draw 4 units or 4 boxes for Jack, and Tom will be 1 time or 1 unit. Then we fill in the information where Tom has 12 marbles. So from here, we will be able to see that in order to find Jack, which is 4 units, we will take 12 times 4, which gives us 48.
Okay, that's a very informative content that you have shared. So if you're interested to get the questions, click on the link to download them. Thank you very much.
To watch more of such videos and information to help your child improve and learn ahead of others in school,
visit our website www.agrader.sg, click on this button, fill in your email address and receive all these useful videos straight in your inbox for free.
as well as the latest in promotions so that you don't lose out on great deals with AGrader Learning Center.